Did you know that if you use a large mug, some cooking spray, and a microwave, you could make a delicious omelette that actually looks like it was prepared by a fancy chef? Let's try it. So the first thing you'll want to do is spray a large mug with cooking spray. Crack a couple of eggs. Add whatever you have. Today I happen to have spinach, sliced yellow bell peppers, and some mini smoked sausage, literally just one mini smoked sausage. Take that and mix it all up. Then you just take the mug and microwave it on high for 90 seconds. When it's done, just take it out of the microwave. So for the flip, what I like to do is then just cover it with a large bowl or plate and flip it. And it actually looks really good. So you have something that not only tastes good, smells good, but it'll look great. Put a little smoked paprika on top, and that's one good looking omelet. Let's try it.